On our way to Pune, arriving early morning at Kempagoda International, Bengaluru. Kempagoda International is a very busy airport, number 3 airport in India. The second runway opened in December 2019. This video date is way back in March 2018, but published now. We are arriving early at 4 a.m. to catch Indigo 408, departing at 5:25 a.m. to Pune. We are on a pilgrimage to Shirdi. We get down at Pune and then we take a bus ride and then go to Shirdi, come back. Departure, arrival concourse. The restaurants are already open at 4 o'clock in the morning, and you can still catch something to eat inside the departure concourse where the gates are situated, and efficient Indigo check-in process. See us through a quick overview of the check-in counters and then security and then the preview of our video. This is the shopping, the departure announcement boards, world clock, boarding through gate 14, taking the ground transportation to our aircraft, an Indigo Airbus A320, putting our luggages airborne, lovely view of early morning Bengaluru, early morning sunrise. Captain announces descent, arrival at Pune airport, and a beautiful early morning sunrise you witness on the tarmac. Welcome to Pune airport. We claim our baggages. We go out of the arrival concourse, the arrival boat and the front of the airport, and we go to the bus. The Tiffin Express is a very nice restaurant, and you can get idli, dosa, vada, masala dosa, etc. Having a quick bite. We have enough time on our hands. Let's take a quick tour of the shopping arcade. Shopping arcade mainly consists of restaurants, bar, apparel shops, jewelry, leather goods, books, and anything that you can think of. Mostly premium brands have display shops here. Supper Shop is one of them, owned by the Raheja Group, and open seating of restaurants serving coffee and food early in the morning. And that's Eat at Bangalore, a very popular bar and restaurant. That's the departure schedule display board, LED display board displaying aircrafts on departure, airlines on departure. You can see almost 36 departures between 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. And Bangalore Airport starts its operations almost the early morning departure starts at 4 o'clock. As you can see here, we are at 5:25, and before that at least there are about 3-4 airlines that are departing. The world clock displaying world time, and then we are going to gate 14, which is on the ground transportation. A quick view of the premium shopping area. As you can see, spa also is there, leather goods, and various shops. We go down the flight of stairs to gate 14, which is on the basement level, because we are not boarding the aircraft through aero bridge but through ground transportation. Ours is G14, that is means ground 14, 6C408 Pune. That's at 5:25. You can see there. When you are on the bus taking the ground transportation, I would show you that how busy the Bangalore airport is early in the morning, with rows and rows of aircraft parked on the tarmac, and now we are boarding and we are taking the ground transportation. Gate 40 to Pune. In the bus, a view of the boarding gate and now on the bus moving towards the aircraft. We are under the aero bridges now, and we'll go all the way down to the farther end and then get on to the tarmac itself, and that's the end of the aero bridges. And in a few moments I will show you the rows and rows of aircraft that's parked. I can see that now, how many aircraft that are parked. You can see that for yourself, and all of them probably departing before 7 p.m. So that means there is a big bunch of departures early in the morning. We have reached our aircraft. We will now get down from the bus and we will see some nice view of the aircraft, of our aircraft, and that's the typical Indigo stairways to board the aircraft. Very nicely done. And they take you down to the top of the aircraft very nicely. And that's the entrance to the aircraft itself. Another Indigo by our side, and there are plenty of them, as you can see in the morning. Boarding passes being checked. And we go through the flight of stairs to the top of the aircraft, to the gate. Nice view of the tarmac, the aircraft parked. You can see the people boarding at the rear exit of the aircraft. It's a A320 Airbus, and Indigo operates an all Airbus A320 flight, single aircraft type. Easy to maintain, higher profitability. Inside the aircraft, you can see through the window how many aircrafts already are parked. Fueling is being done to take us to Pune and back. Light flashing, and we are inside the aircraft after putting our luggages in the overhead lockers. An aircraft being pushed back.
Namaskar, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain of the flight deck. My name is Captain Pednekar. I welcome you aboard Indigo flight number 408, flying us to Pune. With you on the flight deck is my colleague, Senior First Officer Varun, and he will be on the controls from here to Pune today. In the cabin, we have Ms. Meena leading a team of very competent cabin crew. On this flight, which is going to take an hour and 10 minutes to reach Pune, they'll be doing everything they can to make your flight as comfortable as possible. We are expecting a before time departure from here. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us. Thanks for choosing Indigo, and thank you for coming to the airport early. We can depart before time. Thank you so much.
The fueling of the aircraft is being done now. The fueling is completed and the fuel tanker is moving out from beneath the wings where the fuel tanks are situated, and we are ready for departure and pushback started. You can now see the large number of aircrafts on the tarmac getting ready for departure. We are now taxiing to the main runway, and you can have a very beautiful view of the terminal building from the window. And that's the terminal building with those aero bridges, aircraft using the aero bridges. Inside the cabin before departure, we are on the runway now, engine revving up. Can't see much, but it's always a pleasure, a thrilling experience, the takeoff. We are speeding down the runway, airborne now, and a beautiful view of early morning twilight, and the lights of Bangalore city below us. and the sun god breaks the silence and the dawn comes in, and a beautiful orange hue of the early morning sunshine through the windows, the aircraft banking to the left, and we are almost approaching Pune after an hour's flight. The captain announces descent to Pune airport, and we are now on the final approach to Pune airport. Pune airport is a pretty small airport. Probably it's one of the smallest international airports I have ever seen. Probably only 3 aero bridges. The rest of the aircraft all parking on the tarmac. And now we are almost on the final path to landing. The edge of the runway you can see, and we are on the runway, and that's touchdown at Pune International Airport. The pilot now closes the flaps, and we are taking the branch away from the main runway onto the tarmac where the aircraft is normally parked, and we are seeing the private jet parking space. We are making a turn, parking A lovely early morning sunrise welcomes us at Pune. Wonderful. And that's the aircraft 8320 which brought us here to Pune. Now we are walking towards the arrival gate, and there you can see the 2 aero bridges which I was mentioning. One of the very small international airport, Pune. Just a close-up view, and there it is, arrival gate, Pune. Welcome to Pune. We are inside the arrival hall, going towards the baggage claim area, and you can see the arrival display board, LED display board, and we have arrived 20 minutes earlier. Supposed to arrive at 6:50, and we have arrived the number 260-408 at 6:30 Bangalore. We now go and pick up our baggages. That's the baggage belt. And we go out of the arrival hall. Out of the airport and catch the bus to Shirdi, which is waiting for us. It's a private bus, and that's the arrival display board outside the entrance of the arrival gate. Bengaluru 60408, 6:30. Standard is 6:50. Thank you very much for watching this compilation. I hope you liked it. Join me now on another compilation of our return flight from Pune to Bengaluru. Late night departure and arrival at very early in the morning at Bengaluru. Have a great weekend and stay safe.